Every day, healthcare estates teams manage hundreds, sometimes thousands, of shower assets. Heads and hoses must be inspected and replaced on schedule, but completing the work is only part of the responsibility. The team must also demonstrate exactly what was done, where, when and by whom. When records are spread across worksheets, spreadsheets and contractor reports, answering a straightforward audit question can become unnecessarily difficult. Challis Smart Asset Tracking provides every shower location with a unique QR identity. After completing the replacement, the engineer scans the code using a standard smartphone or tablet. The system guides them through the required information, including the components fitted, identifying color, installation date, outlet condition and installer details. Photographs, notes and supporting documents can also be attached when needed. The result is an accurate, time-stamped record linked to the correct shower location, created while the engineer is still on site. There is no specialist scanning equipment, and very little training is required. Managers gain access to a live, searchable overview of the estate. They can see completed work, upcoming replacements and locations requiring attention. Records can be searched or filtered by building, ward, date, condition, replacement status or installer. This makes it easier to identify potential gaps before they become compliance concerns. For multi-site organizations, the system creates a consistent working process and provides greater visibility across the whole estate. When infection prevention colleagues, the water safety group or an auditor asks for evidence, the information is already available. A clear report can be generated for the required locations and reporting period, showing the work completed and the supporting details. There is no need to search through folders, reconcile different spreadsheets or chase contractors for missing paperwork. The client has a reliable digital trail that strengthens accountability and provides confidence that scheduled work has been properly recorded. From shower room to audit report, Challis Smart Asset Tracking helps estates teams reduce administration, improve visibility and maintain clearer evidence across every location. It is a reassuringly simple process. Fit it, scan it, prove it. For more details, call us on 01628 529024 or email info@challisms.com or visit our website www.challisms.com.